Many spiritually oriented women have been triggered lately by the global fear energies under this crazy situation. They feel trapped in overwhelm, anxiety, and all kinds of emotions, and have to deal with different physical symptoms. With low energy level and low productivity, they feel frozen in taking the actions that matter to them. They cannot figure things out as they used to do anymore. They're totally stuck. My name is Jenny Lee Secone, a Joyful Living and Soul Purpose coach and an EFT practitioner for emotional freedom. I help my clients do whole person healing in natural ways by removing the hidden mind blocks and clearing the stuck energies in the body. I was one of my clients many years ago. Working in the corporate world, I had a successful career, but lived an unbalanced life. I had to find the ways to deal with my physical symptoms caused from stress, and I didn't like medication. This setback of my life actually turned out to be my biggest blessing. After my personal transformation, I came out to be guided into this new path of my career, do the current work I do to serve others and fulfill my soul's purpose. So if you feel resonated with what I shared and are also experiencing the physical symptoms like headaches, neck, back, shoulder stiffness, pains, insomnia, shortness of breath, chest tightness, asthma, or organ issues like IBS, digestion, of course, fatigue, or even panic attack, then I invite you to join this course to learn how to use a healthy and natural way to calm your mind and heal your body. By understanding the messages from our body symptoms and giving healthy outlets to our overwhelm, anxiety, and all feelings, we can open up our energy field and regain balance and mental clarity. And then we can reserve our healthy energy for taking actions instead of suppressing. Because when we are trapped in emotions, our logical minds don't work. We have to reach those feelings and energies. So go ahead to click the link and find out the details. What is this natural medicine tool we use called EFT, and why I have the advantage to teach the course and support you. We're going to meet for 30 to 40 minutes every day for 5 days, and we will record all the classes. After the program, I will also offer 2 demo healing sessions. Stop fixing and start honoring. That's what I want to say to you from my heart. I look forward to seeing you in the program and supporting you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.